Anthrax. Introduction. Is anthrax a virus? Select yes or no. Correct. Anthrax is caused by a bacterium called Bacillus anthracis. Which type of anthrax has the symptoms of the flu? Choose one of the following options. 1. Inhalation anthrax. 2. Cutaneous anthrax. 3. Gastrointestinal anthrax. Correct. Inhalation anthrax may resemble a common cold or flu. The success of the antibacterial treatment of anthrax depends largely on early treatment. Select true or false. Correct. Are all laboratory workers and livestock handlers at risk of contracting anthrax? Select yes or no. Correct. Only certain categories of lab workers are at high enough risk that vaccination is recommended. If you receive a letter with a potential biological threat, should you place the letter in a trash can? Select yes or no. Correct. You should place the letter on the nearest surface. Do not carry the letter around looking for a trash can. This may spread the spores to other areas. Thank you for using Explain.